What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to make an updated video just on this Amazon exhaust. I've made a couple changes to it that I want to show, and also do a little sound comparison with what I've done. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so a couple of things. First off, it was nearly impossible to ride without the silencer in it. I wasn't really satisfied with the sound that the silencer had before, so what I did here was actually I took a 5/8 drill bit and drilled out 3 of the holes to allow for more airflow and some of the lower frequencies to escape out, so I could get some more tone back to it. So hopefully this sound comparison will prove that. I honestly don't know. We'll get back and see the footage and compare, so I'm in the dark just like you guys are on this. Overall, with this new silencer put in there with the new holes, to me it sounds different. It sounds like it's lower, and it actually sounds a lot better now, so I think I'm gonna roll with it like this. Also, the springs right here, those plastic pieces that would dampen the vibration, those tend to slide off and they would cause a really annoying spring vibration sound. So what I did was just took some Gorilla Glue gel and basically glued them to the springs so they wouldn't move, and then also they would just dampen that vibration better. So I did that, and so far it seems to have taken care of it. We'll see how long that lasts. Also, I noticed is that the exhaust is changing colors. So it's got a nice rainbow color to it, and it's all the way throughout. And it's starting to get even up here too. And I accidentally got some glue on there and I couldn't get it off, so hopefully it'll burn off. But yeah, I like the color that it's changing and everything. So yeah, still recommend this exhaust for the price. Like I said, you can't beat it. I paid like $140 shipped to my door for it. That's about 3 times less any of these other main manufacturers exhausts would be. So, and this is a full exhaust, so I can't complain at all. So that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. So with that, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Does this sound better than the other? Or is there even a difference? Can you notice it? Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, thanks. Peace.